By harnessing the power of AI and leveraging the monetization opportunities on YouTube and TikTok in 2024, you can transform your creative passion into a lucrative income stream. Content creators are making upwards of $200,000 annually, thanks to the robust monetization programs offered by these platforms. Ready to unlock your earning potential with short-form video content? Welcome to Day 12 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're exploring an exciting and dynamic way to make money in 2024, uploading Reels on YouTube and TikTok. If you've been following our series, you know we're dedicated to bringing you the most innovative and effective strategies for online income. With the explosive growth of short-form video content and the monetization programs on these platforms, you can turn your creativity into significant earnings. Some top creators are making over $200,000 a year just by sharing short, engaging videos. And with the help of AI, the process has never been easier. Stay tuned to learn how you can join this lucrative trend. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. Short-form videos have taken the internet by storm. Platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok have revolutionized how we consume content, offering quick, engaging clips that capture our attention in seconds. This format's popularity has led to massive opportunities for content creators to monetize their videos and build substantial income streams. YouTube Shorts monetization. YouTube has launched several initiatives to support creators of short-form content. The YouTube Shorts Fund, a $100 million fund distributed over 2021 to 2022, was just the beginning. Now, YouTube offers ads and brand deals for Shorts creators, allowing them to monetize their content effectively. With CPM rates cost per thousand views ranging from $5 to $10, creators with viral content can earn significant revenue. TikTok monetization. TikTok has also rolled out robust monetization options, including the TikTok Creator Fund, brand partnerships, and live gifts. TikTok's Creator Fund pays creators based on the number of views and engagement their videos receive. Successful creators often supplement this income with brand deals, where companies pay for sponsored content. High-earning TikTokers can pull in over $100,000 annually through these combined revenue streams.
Do you know? Emma started her beauty channel on YouTube and TikTok in 2022. By leveraging AI editing tools and focusing on makeup tutorials and product reviews, she quickly gained a following. In 2024, Emma's channels earned her over $150,000 through ad revenue, brand deals, and sponsored content. John turned his passion for technology into a lucrative career by creating short tech reviews and tutorials. Using AI analytics, he optimized his content for maximum engagement. John's combined earnings from YouTube and TikTok reached $100,000 in 2024. AI has revolutionized video editing, making it easier than ever to create professional quality content. Tools like Adobe Premiere Pro with AI integration, Lumen 5, and Capwing use artificial intelligence to automate tasks like scene detection, color correction, and even generating video scripts. This allows you to focus on creativity while the AI handles the technical aspects. Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates. AI-driven analytics tools like TubeBuddy for YouTube and TikTok Analytics provide deep insights into viewer behavior, demographics, and trends. These tools help you optimize your content strategy, ensuring higher engagement and more views. AI algorithms on both YouTube and TikTok analyze user behavior to recommend content. By understanding how these algorithms work, you can tailor your videos to increase their chances of being recommended, leading to more views and higher earnings. In order to start earning, you need to follow these steps. Choosing a niche is crucial for standing out in the crowded landscape of short-form video content. Whether it's comedy, beauty, education, or tech, finding a niche that you're passionate about and that has an audience is the first step to success. Quality content is key to attracting viewers. Invest in a good camera and microphone and use AI editing tools to enhance your videos. Consistency is also important to upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Understanding and optimizing for the platform algorithms can significantly boost your visibility. Use trending hashtags, create engaging thumbnails, and write compelling titles and descriptions. Tools like TubeBuddy and Vidic can help you with keyword research and optimization. Building a loyal audience requires interaction. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to engage with your content. Live streams are also a great way to connect with your audience in real time. Apply for monetization programs as soon as you meet the eligibility criteria. On YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. On TikTok, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Additionally, reach out to brands for sponsorships and collaborations.
AI technology will continue to advance, offering even more sophisticated tools for content creation and analysis. Embrace these advancements to stay ahead of the competition. As the popularity of short-form video content grows, platforms are likely to introduce more monetization options. Stay informed about new opportunities and be ready to take advantage of them. Integrating your content across multiple platforms can maximize your reach and earnings. Use AI tools to repurpose content for different platforms, ensuring consistency and efficiency. The potential to earn significant income by uploading Reels on YouTube and TikTok in 2024 is immense. By leveraging AI tools and understanding the monetization opportunities available, you can transform your passion for video creation into a lucrative business. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, the key to success lies in creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and continuously adapting to new trends. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators earning over $200,000 a year. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 12. Stay tuned for more. Do share, press like, and hit bell icon for more interesting earning options. If you subscribe the channel, it will motivate us to bring more opportunities to you.